In this video, I'll show you how you can play Valorant on mobile even if you don't live in China. As you know, Valorant is only available to Chinese users, but I'll show you an easy way to get Valorant outside China. So for this, you need 3 apps: WeChat, Gear Up Booster, and the game itself. So first, go to your Google Play Store and download WeChat from there. You then need to create an account on WeChat. Simply type in your name, your country, a phone number, and the password. It'll then send a verification code to your number. Just type that in, and the account will be created. Next, you need to download Valorant. So copy the link from the description, click the search bar, and paste it over here. You then need to open the first site from the search results. Here, the first thing you need to do is click these 3 dots at the top and then select Translate Full Text. The page will then be translated into English. Now to download the game, click on the 3 lines here and go to the home page. After that, you'll see an option to download the game. Simply tap on it, and the APK file will start downloading. Once it's done, locate it in your file manager and install it. Okay, so the last thing you need is a VPN to run the game. So go to your Play Store again and search for Gear Up Booster. Simply install it, and then boost Valorant from there. Make sure to always open the game from Gear Up Booster, else it won't launch. Alright, lastly, you just need to download some additional files to play the game. And that's it. This is how you can download Valorant on mobile outside China. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!